Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is a question October 2011 and 43 variant. Question number 2. The question says, give here tan alpha equal to 5 by 12 given by him and find magnitude and direction of the three forces. Okay, let's start. It's not equilibrium, make sure. So whenever he give us this kind of component, this kind of equation, we have two choices. What choice? Number one, you can take a tan inverse, okay? But if I take a tan inverse, for example, tan inverse, so you can lose accuracy. For example, the answer of taking the tan inverse is what? First, I show you because it is a very important. Most students do this way, and tan inverse 5 divided by 12, and answer is coming 22.61986. So at least you take 3 or 4 DPs. If you take a 1 DP, the answer will affect. But what I choose away, this is a very effective way for students, and sometime this method is flopped sometime. But this method which I'm doing is effective in all options. So this is tan opposite by adjacent. So opposite is in front of angle is opposite. This is adjacent. I want to find hypotenuse, and formula of Pythagoras theorem, all of you know, hypotenuse square equal opposite square plus adjacent square. So x to power 2, 12 to power 2 plus 5 to power 2, and I'm getting 169, and ultimately x becomes 13. From now, if I find it sine alpha and cos alpha from here, so sine alpha is becoming, because opposite by hypotenuse, so 5 by 13. And cos alpha is coming adjacent by hypotenuse 12 by 13, and which are more accurate as compared to this method. Okay, so let's start now component breaking. So all of you know this is a one force of this 26 is acting parallel to x-axis and one force acting parallel to y-axis. Because this alpha is same, so this is confirmed 26 cos alpha. This is 26 sine alpha. Now, what is we looking for? Rx. So let's try to find Rx. And Rx is what? Because these two forces acting right hand side and no force acting left side. So 31 plus 26 cos alpha. And cos alpha value I'm replacing to the 12 here, 12 by 13. And this cancel too. I got a 24, 21 plus 24, and I got a 55 newtons. So sharp value, we get it. Okay. So now I'm going for Ry component, like accurate value, got it. So what is Ry component? This is upward, this is downwards. Sorry. So 58 minus 58 minus 26 sine alpha. And 26 sine alpha value is 5 by 13. I replace here. So 58 minus 22 times 2, 12 over 13. Sorry, not 12, 5 over 13. So 5 over 13. And this is cancel. I got a 210 and I got 48 newtons. So I got Rx, and I always make a triangle. You can see here, make a triangle. And why make a triangle? Or you can do this way. This way is better, I think so. You make a cross and check it here. Your Rx is positive, negative, positive. So rightwards. Ry positive, negative, positive. So upwards from here. So this is 55 and this is a 48 and this is called resultant. And we can see here, this is a resultant and we got R here. So let's find the resultant force. So R to power 2 equal to 55 square and plus 48 square. Now I find the root of 55 square and plus 48 to power 2. And answer is coming sharp 73 newtons. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. And now I'm going for angle alpha. What he said here, find the direction. So direction is coming first quadrant and simply tan inverse. So opposite is Ry 48 over 55. So let's find direction. So tan inverse 48 divided by 55. And I'm getting sharp 41, not sharp, sorry. This is my angle. And direction is same. So direction and alpha is same. Luckily, not always same, but in this option is same. Okay. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin. I hope so the concept is very clear.